Yeah, yeah. But the thing is, it has already been projected in the dreaming state. It has already been projected in the dreaming state, and I wake up with that. That is why when I open my eyes, I recognize the ceiling of my own house. I recognize the fan when I look up. I recognize the room. I recognize my husband or wife sleeping there. Yeah, I recognize. The projection has already started in the dream state. So the only way possible is Swapna Nidra Jnana. Swapna is dream, Nidra is sleep, and Jnana is wisdom. So all I am doing with you since the beginning of Atmanivritti is Swapna Nidra Jnana. Actually experience it, then only you say, yes, I know it. Without that, don't even go that way. Yeah, again, you'll be lost in a land of belief, and that's not the intention here. No belief. I see it, I know it experientially. Yes, and you'll understand further only if you see this. Some of us have already started seeing it. Yeah, a little more interest in myself, a little more away from the world, a little more just to be with this. And it's very easy. I'm sure you will get it. So just relax, don't be feverish about it. Don't make a big thing out of it. This is all you think about. This is all you really focus on. You do all your regular household duties, but this is my number one priority. This is my focus. How a horse wears blinders, I am not going to look at anything else this week. That's how you wear blinders. And every night you get into bed with this intention that I wake up in the morning and I'm going to be able to see this. You think about this while eating, you think about this while cleaning, you think about this while cooking. All the time, this is all you think about. You will get it. Whatever you put your interest into, the entire universe works that way. You are the creator of this universe. Nobody else is. Yeah? So you put your energy in that one direction. This is it. And see how it will fall together. It will happen. It has to happen. You are the creator of your universe. What was the name of the chapter? Thoughts and myself. There is nothing else. ठीक है? Have I relaxed you enough? Yeah? No feverishness. ठीक है? And at the same time, don't fool yourself also. No fooling. I have to see this experientially, honestly.